Listen to the sounds as they fill the air. Bonnie's magic brush will take us there. Oh dear Bonnie Bear, let's all play the listening game every day. Listen to the sounds as they fill the air. Pictures come alive, can you see them there? Oh dear Bonnie Bear, let's all play the listening game every day. Listen to the sounds. Listen to the sounds and play.
Bonnie Bear.
My name is Bonnie Bear! Whee!
Hello, Bonnie. Do you want to play the listening game?
I do. My magic paintbrush is ready too!
Okay then, let's play. Did you hear that sound? Let's listen to it again. What could it be, Bonnie?
Sounds like water filling a bathtub!
Yes, bath water. That's right. Okay, now I'm going to play another sound for you. Ooh, did you hear that? Let's listen to it again. What could it be?
I know! That's my rubber ducky!
A rubber ducky! That's right, Bonnie! Okay, now I'm going to play another sound. Get ready! Did you hear that sound? Let's listen to it again. So, what could it be?
I think I know! Splashing water?
Splashing water! That's right! Bonnie, let's listen to the sounds again.
Bath water! Rubber ducky! Splashing!
So, Bonnie, can you guess where you can hear those sounds?
I can! Whee! Those are bath time sounds from the tub!
Oh, that's right, Bonnie! The bathtub!
Playtime with Al.
Howdy! Hello, everyone! Oh, what is that? I think it's riddle time! Let's do it! Even though we're little, let's do it! let's do it. Time to solve a riddle. Ha! Did you hear that? It must be our first clue. Ha! It's a banana, one of my favorite fruits. Yum, 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 yum. Wait, but what does it have to do with that shape? I think we need another clue. Huh? Look what I found in my box of clues. It's a book, just like the one with my favorite bedtime stories. But what do a banana and a book have in common? Oh, I don't know about you, but I need another clue. It's a ball! You can play with it and bounce it like this. Oh. Where did it go? What do these three things have in common? Think, Al. Think. Oh! We've got a banana, and a book, and a ball. Oh, wait a minute. I know what this means. All of these things begin with the letter B. Am I right? We did it! Even though we're little, we did it! We all solved the riddle! Yay! We figured it out! Thanks so much for helping me. I'll be back real soon. Get it? Be back. See you soon.
La 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 la. Look about. Come on, guys, let's all shout.
Warm, cold.
Cold, warm. Try to find the acorn. Yeah! Look around till the acorn has been found.
Warm, cold.
Cold, warm. Time to find the acorn. Time to find the acorn. Sammy, let's play.
Hey, do you want to play Find the Acorn?
Yes!
This is my bathroom. Where should I hide the acorn? Maybe I'll put it next to the bathtub. No. How about on the stool? Nah. Oh, I know. I'll put it under the mirror. Okay, Eve, come and find the acorn. Okay, you know how to play. When I say warm, that means you're getting close to the acorn. When I say cold, it means you're far away. And when I clap, that means you're right next to it. Hey, let's practice. Let's all clap together. Ready? Clap! Good job! Remember to clap just like that when Eve is right next to the acorn, okay? Great!
Is it here?
You're cold.
Am I close?
Still cold. Getting warmer? Warmer? Let's tell Eve that she's right next to the acorn. Remember how? Right! Clap your hands!
Yes! We found the acorn, we found it over here. We found the acorn. and cheer. Yahoo!
Now it's my turn to hide the acorn. Sammy, close your eyes. I'll put the acorn next to the bathtub. Cold. Cold. Still cold. Keep looking. No. The acorn isn't over there. Getting warmer. Let Sammy know that he's near the acorn. Clap your hands.
We found the acorn, we found it over here. We found the acorn after looking everywhere. We found it, so let's all clap and cheer. Yahoo!
The game is over. That was so much fun.
Thanks for helping.
Bye.
Who's that swinging up and down? Join him as he has some fun. Look at Larry, he's so bright. Learns new words and gets them right.
Vocabulary, vocabulary, say that loud, loud. Vocabulary, vocabulary, that's what it's about. Vocabulary, vocabulary, that's what it's about.
Hello, Larry.
Hello.
Larry, look.
Ooh. Ah. Oh. Huh?
It's okay, Larry. Do you know what it is? This is a bed.
Bed?
Yes, bed.
Bed. Bed. Bed. Rah! Rah!
Right, Larry. Many beds.
Many beds.
Time to go home now. Goodbye, Larry.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Ah!
That's what it's about.
Fred and Fiona. Fiona and Fred. Hi, Fiona.
Hi, Fred. Fred, what do you feel like doing today?
Let's have Bordy draw a teddy bear for us today.
That
the board.
To the board, to the magical boardy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Imagination comes alive.
Hello, Fred and Fiona. What would you like me to draw today?
I have an idea.
Bordy, can you draw a teddy bear?
That's not a teddy bear. That's a horse. A teddy bear is a toy, not a real animal.
Well, that's not a teddy bear either. Those are building blocks.
How do you know?
Because a teddy bear has arms, legs, and a head. It looks like a bear.
It looks like a bear, huh? I think we can get a teddy bear. Are you ready, Fred?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, go!
A teddy bear!
Oh, what joy! Oh, what a sight! We worked together and got it right!
Hey, Fiona, what's wrong? You look sad.
This is a nice teddy bear. But what do we do with the teddy bear?
Wait, I know.
A teddy bear in a flower pot. We put flowers in flower pots, not teddy bears.
A teddy bear in a refrigerator? That's not right. We put food in a refrigerator, not teddy bears.
I think we can get it right this time. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh, what joy! Oh, what a sight! We worked together and got it right!
Oh no, the teddy bear is gone.
That's okay. Bordy can help us find the teddy bear again.
First, we saw a teddy bear in a flower pot, but that isn't right. We plant flowers in flower pots, not teddy bears.
Then we saw a teddy bear on a refrigerator, but that isn't right either.
That's funny.
But we finally got it right. A teddy bear is a toy that we play with. We can also hug a teddy bear very tight. Very good, Fiona.